Hey guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I'm back with another video of a little bit of everything. So in this video, what we're doing is making homemade sloppy joe. Yep, that's right. So to start it off, I'm using sausage, like Italian sausage, and I did have the clip of me showing you how to decase them, meaning it has like this little film on the outside. So you just take a knife and you run it down the center of the sausage and it'll come apart and you just peel it off. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know. I tried to record it. It didn't show up. So we're just gonna move right along. So here you see me just chopping it up. I like it fine. I normally have this machine. It's like a little chopper and you put the meat in there and you can just and you're done, but I don't have that, so we're gonna do this the old-fashioned way. So go ahead and get yourself some Italian sausage, get that ready. Right here I'm just gonna go ahead and put some garlic in here. You guys already know I don't measure anything, I eyeball everything. I have some sofrito, but you know I gotta scratch it off so you guys can see what I'm using. Take as much as you like, put that stuff up in there and get it going. So everything is to taste, guys. You can try it the way I did it from looking at the video and see how you like it. It actually came out really good. Sweet Italian sausage is what I used. I didn't use hot. You know, so I used Classico Sazon seasoning, and then I used some paprika right there, and I've got some garlic powder. Most of these things you can pick up at the dollar store. I got some Italian seasoning going in there, and yeah, you know, you just mix it all up and stuff. Black pepper, of course, if you guys like the heat, so you know. And taco sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and stir this stuff up, mix it in really well, and then we'll add in our taco sauce. So I like to use taco sauce because it gives it a little zesty taste. It's a little twangy and a little spicy, and it's good, you know. I like it. So I just added some water into the bottle, put that in there so you can make it a little bit more soupier, so you can get that seasoning all up in there. And now I do have some tomato paste that you're going to see me put in there. That is to make the sauce thicker because the taco sauce is quite thin. And I like it a little bit thicker, so you guys can go ahead and use some tomato paste and put as much as you like in there. You're also going to want to add some more water to that paste because if not, it's going to be all thick and weird. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just adding that in. You'll see me add some more water as well. And once that's all done, you know, you go ahead and you just let it simmer for a couple of minutes. So that's what I'm talking about, adding the water in. You just eyeball it, you smush it around a couple of times, and then, you know, if you need some more water, you add some more water. You know, you guys got this. You guys got this. I know you guys can cook. But I'm just going to show you guys how I make my sloppy joe. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video, guys. Until next time, bye.